Hi, it's Leah from Imagine DIY and I have a great tutorial for you today. It's one of my favourites for a while. I just wanted to show you how to add this beautiful metallic finish to your invitation. I love the foiled look because it just looks so expensive and it really elevates your design. But it's actually really easy to do at home. So I just wanted to show you how easy it can be using a few really basic materials. So the first thing you need is just a basic laminating machine. This one I purchased for about £12 from Wilko's, but you can also get one from eBay, Amazon, any stationery company. And I've set it to about 110 degrees. You then need to print your wording with a laser printer in black ink. And that's a really important point. It must be a laser printer and it must be black ink. You also need some toner reactive foil. This comes in all sorts of colours, but I'm using a gold one here. And I'm just cutting it down to the size of the wording. A really good tip for this is to use an old scissors, because if you're using a good one, it will blunt it so quickly. So just use an old scissors to cut the shape down. And then just line up the edges, feed it into the machine. And once the machine has grabbed hold, it'll start pulling it through for you. So while that's pulling through, we can prepare the next one. I've got a front tag for this, and because it's small, we're going to need to do something a little bit different. We're going to start the same, so we're going to cut the foil down to size, but we're going to create a shim, and I've just got a piece of greaseproof paper, and we're just going to place it inside the greaseproof paper, and because that's a little bit longer than the card panel, it will just feed it through the machine a little bit better for you, so it doesn't get jammed inside. So once our first piece is fed through, we can then place the shim inside and that will feed through the machine nicely. So as you can see, it's come through the machine now and we're just going to peel the foil off, and you can see the gold is just stuck to the black ink there and just created a beautiful finish. So as it's feeding through the machine, we're just going to do the same with the other items. I've got an additional information sheet, a guest information sheet and an RSVP card. So we're just cutting the foil to size and feeding it through the machine one by one. You can actually do this so that they feed through next to each other, but make sure they don't sit on top. So the one with the shim has come through now. So we're just going to open up the shim and again peel the backing off. And there you can see it's just created this beautiful gold foil finish. So this is a really great way of adding a touch of luxury to your designs. You can keep it really simple. You can just print wedding invitation onto the front of a card. You can create thank you cards. With a little imagination, you can use some graphics as long as you print them in black. And you can just create a really luxurious finish really cheaply. So if you visit our website or our YouTube channel, later this week we'll have a tutorial on how to create the invitation you saw at the start using these beautiful gold foil inserts that we've created today. But it's just such a lovely finish. I really wanted to share this with you. I really recommend you giving it a go. Try it in different colours. Try it with different invitations, with different items of stationery. You're going to love the results. It's one of my favourite things to do. And I really don't know why we haven't done a video on it before. So I really hope you've enjoyed watching this video. Visit our website, keep an eye on our YouTube channel, make sure you subscribe to us to see any future videos. Our website is www.imaginediy.co.uk if you want to see any of the products, the design guides. There's even downloadable templates so you can produce this exact invitation using products available from our website. So I really hope you've enjoyed it. It's been lovely having you with us today. Keep an eye out for more videos on our YouTube channel and take care, guys. Thanks for watching.